So after the entire calculation, after the entire collection of the waste, the vehicle will come here. This will be the uploading area.
There are 4 types of the waste: yellow, red, blue, and white. Yellow consists of all the incineration waste which we cannot retreat. So this is red waste. This is totally a recyclable waste which we can recycle, like plastic and all everything.
So we can see as per the color coding, we have defined this separate room. So when we see yellow waste will be coming here, automatically we'll be having the base scale here. So we will scan it again. So what will happen? Let's suppose किसी hospital से कोई bag आता है, we should be knowing कि वो bag यहाँ पहुँच गया है. Then it will be loaded here.
So this is our conveyor. We will show from that side now.
So this will be the yellow waste store area. In case if the yellow waste the quantum is high, at that point of time we can store the yellow waste here only. So after storage, it will be uploaded to the conveyor belt.
We will show you from that side. That is the main plant area.
So the treatment of yellow waste is totally separate as compared to the a different waste. So please come to this side. So let's start from different waste, red and white waste. Then we go to the yellow part.
ना आणि त्याला बोललाय
So the red waste is yellow waste is all about the anatomical waste. That the thing that cannot be recycled.
that
ते
contains
इन्फेक्टिव्ह रे म्हणजे आमचे बॉडी फ्लुइड्स असतात किंवा गॉस पीसीस विच आर स्टक विथ द ड्रेसिंग केल्ले मटेरियल
And what is red waste?
इन्फेक्टिव्ह
Red waste contains all the plastic, rubber part that can be
ग्लाउज
recycled.
आम्ही वापरतो
that can be recycled, like
The
plastic,
body parts is yellow waste.
Yes,
Yellow
it
waste.
will come to the yellow. So
Cotton,
stomach or wherever.
just for
And
the
yellow is
technical
what?
purpose, yellow is the one.
Red is
Red is for the recycling.
Plastic.
Like
IV
glucose
fluids,
bottles,
IV fluids and
bottles,
syringes.
So the
gloves.
entire plastic waste, rubber waste will go to the red part.
and
Now
blue
because COVID, yellow waste also includes COVID waste.
COVID waste also.
and blue.
Blue is for
contains
the glass waste.
Glass waste.
Glass bottle.
Some like
So we have the
medicine
medicine
bottles or
bottle or maybe the glucose bottle that is made up of glass.
And COVID waste, how you are going to
So
differentiate?
that is a little bit different process for COVID waste. So the treatment facility for COVID is we can treat it here also. What will gonna happen? It will be the red part also. It will be the yellow part.
yellow part.
So the yellow part COVID waste will be incinerated, and the red part will be
Will be
autoclaved
autoclaved
and
and
then put the
recycled.
recycler.
Yeah, do you have an estimate of how much of waste is going to come every day?
Like
When we talk
approx
about the yellow waste, you are expecting approximate 2 tons,
2 tons. And overall?
overall 3 tons in a day.
3 to 4
Approx.
tons approximate.
So that right now कितलं waste generate जातात
आमचं 1.5 तरी जातलो
all over Goa?
So it is going to increase over a period of time. आता because of COVID there was extra load. Now that load will be down to start with. But again it will pick up as new hospitals come up,
The plant is okay. How about the collection?
Collection,
Because
they only
what
do-
I know is only one van was doing all over Goa.
No, now they have
We are having 7 different size of vehicles which will cover whole Goa initially. We will increase the number if required. So they are total
So
7
their
vehicles
entire thing is covered in.
covered in our
What we're going
facility.
to do, so we have installed the technology for that. So we'll be having the QR code system. So for each and every facility, we'll be having the QR code. So let's suppose that I have to go for the collection. So once I'll go there, I'll be having a mobile app installed in my mobile. So what I'm gonna do, let's suppose this is a facility. I'll scan the code. Immediately, I'll be aware that my vehicle has reached there. And they people are also aware that vehicle aa chuka hai. Automatically entry will be done in the route management system. So now what will happen? Hospital will have to submit the waste. So they will be having the barcoded bag. So Bluetooth waste scale will be there. So they will scan it, and automatically waste will be transferred on the mobile app. So they people will also have the access so that they should know at any time kitna quantum of waste was generated.
Like
So when we talk about the capacity, so we have to understand that 3 different parts. So if we talk about the injection capacity, it's 7 ton per day. Right now we have got a 300 kg per hour
per
incinerator.
hour, and
So 100 will
it
be
will extend to 700 kg per hour.
So the GMC plant will also
Yes.
parallelly work.
Yes,
No.
It will be transferred here.
Here, we are bringing it.
So you are going to shut down
everything
the.
under one capacity.
So that will be shut. The incinerator.
That will be shifted
That will
to
be
here.
shifted
only.
here.
Yeah.
That is because under the common biomedical waste rules, there can be only one facility.
One
for the state.
facility
In
for the state.
75 kilometers.
For a state.
So after
With
the
the radius of
installation of that
75
plant, we'll be
kilometers.
having the installed capacity of 9.6 ton per day. I'm talking just about the yellow waste. When we talk about this one, the red waste, installation capacity is 8130 liters per batch.
It will be approx 500 kg. It will depend on the waste type of the waste.
Because we cannot define the volume.
500 kg per cycle. Cycle is of
Approximate.
45 minutes.
Even sanitary pads and all, it will be more or less.
Yeah. We
So
can
that
show
change
you
the
the
problem
red
of
waste
the
there.
See, basically with some modifications further, as of now, as doctor said, it's around 3,000 kg per day, with 3 tons more or less maximum. We can go up to 27, 28
28 tons.
per day.
Per day.
That
We
has
can
been, because their concession is for 20 years, so we have scaled up that way.
We have got a space for future expansion also. See, if the need be, we can install other plants.
So manually you are going to do it red, yellow, and
Initially it will be
The
one
important
person
part
will be here.
is segregation at source.
At the hospital
Because
itself.
all the hospitals have been training Talu Asaf. North Goa is already more or less.
We are providing
South
training
Goa,
sessions
and
also for the
continuous
segregation
no,
part.
because we had seen last time in Sweden there were different belts. It was selecting automatically.
Even the bags also are
According to the color of the
coded.
bags, it was
Yes.
selecting
And
automatically.
bags are
Inside the
also
bag
color
also is important. The bag may be yellow, but there may be,
That is that municipal waste.
No, whatever it is, the bag color is going to be the same.
But these are 3 different lines. They will not go on one line.
So when we talk about the
Only
municipality,
yellow
the
will
color
come.
is same. So here we have 4 different kind of color coding. So we have to treat differently. So it's quite complicated. We cannot treat it in a single process. So the yellow waste will be segregated here, and for the rest we have the automatic bag.
We can show you the autoclave also. We can go from there.
We are not seeing inside.
After that, we'll go to that.
This is just a unloading area.
So just to show the process how exactly it will gonna work. So the first part we have to upload it here.
This is our autoclave.
So what will happen after the waste will be collected here. So it will come directly this part. We have got a conveyor belt installed at that side. So there will be a toilet system. Can you please open?
We can treat approx 500 kg per batch in this. Like if one cycle is of 45 minute cycle.
So this trolley will come out.
So about 12 tons a day.
Sir, it's quite difficult to talk
Depend
about
on
the
the
KG.
waste, like if we
So
will get the
generally-
PP kits and all, like when the volume
Because this is the size of autoclave. So depending upon the weight of the what we are treating,
But how many shifts it's going to work?
depends upon the quantum of weight that we are getting on daily basis.
But capacity is what?
It's 8130 liters per batch. The batch is of 45 degrees.
No, but can the 24/7 it can work?
Yes. It's designed to work for 24/7.
So this is only for the red waste.
मशीन दिसणार मिनिस्टर
So how it will work further? So once the waste is autoclave, now we have to segregate it. Before we are just studying it, we have to segregate different kind of plastic waste. So this batch will bring out
After
and we
autoclave,
have to
we
feed
will
it to
put
the
the
conveyor.
waste on the conveyor belt for the segregation. You can see the conveyor belt. On that, we will segregate all the plastic waste.
So generally what happens, the plastic waste contains different kind of plastic items. If we're gonna shed it like this, there won't be, it's a waste of resource. So we have to segregate it
Segregate
properly
properly.
so that it can be recycled by the proper recycler. So for that purpose, we have to make sure the segregation part is extremely good.
After segregation, we will send the waste to shredder. We will shed the waste.
So what
As
the
per-
process says, we have to mutilate it so that it cannot be reused in the
Reused.
same form. So
No
for
one
that
will
purpose,
misuse.
after segregation, we have to use the shredder and mutilate it. So,
So
this
we-
is a shredder with a capacity of 250 kg per
per
hour.
hour. So we will shred the red waste. Shredder.
So the segregated waste will be shredded here, and after that it will be packed and sent to the authorized recycler.
मागा नाही रे राग कोणाचा
After shredding, we will put our waste in the waste so that we can send the
Just about the red waste.
Yes, yes.
just about
Now
the
we'll
red
go
waste.
to
Yellow.
yellow waste.
So we are seeing the process of red waste. Now we can have a look of blue waste.
Glass waste also. There is one tank, so we will put the glass inside.
When the glass is going to come, the chemical dosing process will be done here.
IPO.
We'll be having water here, water fill tank with a dosing of sodium hypoacid. So it will be dipped into that solution for some time, and after that the water will have been drained out.
Drain out. And everything is connected with the ETP drain. There is one separate drain, ETP drain, where we will treat all the in-house water.
So whatever the left part is here, again this has to be sent to the glass authorized recycler. So the plastic will go to the plastic recycler approved by the government. Glass will go to the glass authorized recycler, so that they can be recycled and can be reused.
required for this operating waste are partly
Here is the yellow waste. So I took a perform. So we have got different chambers for different kind of insulation. So we started from here. So as we have seen in the yellow part, we have got the conveyor belt. You can come at this side. So the first we have the hydraulic system. So what will happen once the waste will be uploaded into this area, there will be a hydraulic belt that will open. The gate will open.
automatically.
So once the gate will be open, the waste will be pushed inside that gate. So again, after pushing it inside, after feeding, the gate will close. This is the primary chamber. So this is the main incineration part. So the entire yellow waste will be incinerated in the primary chamber. And it's a rotary kind of
Rotary
plant.
kind
so
of
it
plant.
keeps on rotating at a very slow pace.
And the temperature is around 800 to 1000 degree, around 800 degree.
So
Temperature of
minimum we
the,
have to maintain 800. So 800 plus will be there.
What will be the final outcome
like
of this?
it will come,
In
ash
dry
will come, ash will come, the ash will come,
So the final ash, the ash part will be collected there.
Collected there,
And
and
it,
the-
even the ash will be sent to the authorized
Ash
recycler.
landfiller.
So landfill site.
there
Is
is
there
one,
anything, any environment degradation occurring after this?
no.
That is why environment was getting degradation जाताले म्हणून हे आम्ही केल्ला.
No, but people are
Right
still
now,
opposed.
if
People
you
are still
see,
opposing
if you see, when our incineration technology, जो आमचो incinerator जो Goa Medical College in बंद पडटालो, then you would see all those green bags and yellow bags and everything just behind Goa Medical College somewhere they were being dumped. Earlier, I'm talking about earlier. So they were just being dumped and there was human parts and all in those bags. The dogs used to take them all over. So this matter went to High Court, this matter went to NGT. And here we are with this plant. So that no human waste which is removed from the body after the operation, whether it is a tumor, whether it is any other operation, should be dumped anywhere or should be
Is there any
dumped.
smoke out of it?
No. This is totally a dry process.
There's a dry.
We will get the ash from that ash section. उसके बाद जितनी भी harmful gases रहेगी, that will go na.
मतलब hazardous कुछ भी नहीं
No,
है?
nothing. No. We'll tell you the.
Only the ash that is
we'll
coming
get
out
the-
is
we'll get
sending
the-
it to
In
the
the end, the ash will be there. That ash will go to our hazardous
And that is
waste
landfill
facility
site.
There is no smoke, white smoke, black smoke.
No, nothing.
That is the best part of this technology.
Explain the pollution control
Yes,
measures.
please,
This is
please,
one of the
please,
best in the country.
So in the first go we are seeing this is the primary chamber. So what will happen after the entire waste is getting composed? So we'll be getting the ash collection center over there. So this ash is collected here and this will be the ash room at that side. So the ash will be collected and after that it will be sent to the hazardous waste site and facility. So now what happens after the entire burning process, there are some fumes that is being generated. So that the gases that will
Harmful
be
gases.
harmful gases will sent to the secondary chamber. So the temperature is
Harmful
1050.
gases are there.
Yes, yes, yes.
They won't be let out.
No.
That is why this is being
So secondary yes, yes. So,
This is stage by stage explain. Yes, sir. Let him explain.
so what will happen once the waste is getting disposed over here? So the gas will be out of that. So now for the treatment of gas, we have got the secondary chamber. So in this secondary chamber, we are only treating the gas part. So the temperature is 1050 degrees Celsius plus minus 50 degrees. So the residual time is 2 seconds. Gas will gonna stay here for 2 seconds. And after that, we have got the entire thing just to stop the pollution. So the pollution control devices are there. So we can have a look for that also.
Soon you got a ceramic 6 liters what you put. Filter. And then online.
This is the second dust collection. So the best part is if in case some ash particle will gonna stay from this area, so it will be there will be a centrifugal force that will put them down. And after just collecting it at the bottom, so the entire gas will go to the air-cooled channel system. So here we are just reducing the temperature of gas. So you can have the look of this one also.
This is the air-cooled fuel gas cooler.
So now there will be a few gas insulated. So now just to neutralize a few gas, what we are doing, there will be a dosing of lime and the activated carbon. So if in case any furans or dioxins will be there, which produce at the time of burning of plastic waste. So that will be neutralized in this section. And after that, we have got the state-of-art technology for the bag-out filter. This is a ceramic filter, so the main ISP is the filter.
These are the German-based filters technology.
So if in case with the entire process, anything got escaped from this entire process, that will be 100% stopped here in this filter. Ceramic filter.
They are
So this technology filters are imported from Germany. So it's a slender kind of filter.
there are
So
500 filters in this filter house.
even more than that. So how it is going to work? So there is a cylindrical channel. So the entire gas will be stuck inside the channel, and the ash particle will left outside. It's kind of filtration system. So the clean air from the inside will be removed and sent to the chimney, the stack, then the outer side. So this is the main ISP of this plant. So the core purpose for this side is just to stop the pollution.
So you said there is nothing going to go out.
Nothing.
What is the chimney?
Sorry?
Only hot gas.
Chimney is
So there are some, the hot air will be there. So we cannot just leave the hot air in the surrounding. So we have to send it at least minimum 30-meter height. So we are just leaving it at the height of, there is a stack of 30 meter.
We have also installed the pollution device also at the chimney, at the point of the chimney.
So now
Monitor the
there
gases.
is a continuous monitoring system. So that will be monitored by the Goa State Pollution Board as well as the Central State Pollution Control Board. So it's an online continuous monitoring system. So at any point of time they want to see, they can check what is the thing that is getting released.
no, the air meaning is the gas. So whatever the gas is
Yes, non-hazardous gas. So we have got installed the sensors as per the rules and regulations. So that sensor will give the rating, what exactly is coming out of the stack. And this will be continuously monitored by the State Pollution Control Board as well as the Central Pollution Control Board. Sorry? Yes. We have
We
got
are
the
having
sensor.
DG set also.
DG set is already.
250 kVA DG set also for the backup of this plant. And this plant run on the natural gas.
So this is the one more addition part to this Fedbex scrubber, which is not been installed in other plants. So if in case at the time of running, some accident has happened, it might be a case the filter get damaged or anything. So what will happen? The entire load will be shifted to Fedbex scrubber, just to make sure in case of failure of any filter, it should not go out. So this is an extraordinary technology that we have introduced only in Goa. So this was the first time that Fedbex scrubber is getting introduced here.
How much is the cost of project?
Approximate 10 here for the entire
More
plant.
than 10 CR. As all of you know, after COVID situation, the steel prices has been increased so
Plus
much.
minus
Like
is always there, variation is always
30 to 40% cost has been increased.
In a,
It was not required.
in a record time of 11 months, in spite of the COVID, we have seen that since NGT was monitoring this start of this plant, when you are going to start, because we were only filing affidavits. So we have seen that this plant gets ready in a record time of 11 months, and it is ready today for trials.
The
And
construction has been
whatever,
started last
there are some issues here and there, initially, the fitting issue, which our medical doctors and representations, the associations are here. And we will put this in the board meeting and we'll resolve the issues.
When are you going to inaugurate?
It's going to be another 10-12 days, but right now they are going to do a trial round. They are already started collecting the waste.
From
they
some
will start the trial rounds for a week, 10 days. Then we will inaugurate. Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant will come here to inaugurate this plant along with the other.
Waste is coming from entire Goa.
Entire Goa, full entire Goa, including the waste, which will be, they will also tie up with the pharmaceutical companies for expired tablets or whatever they have got.
And
Everything, whatever has to be,
first aid box.
has to go in this incineration technology will be brought over here.
No, whatever, like your Saligam plant, it gives the outcome of power.
Yeah.
Is there anything like something
Nothing, I
like that?
think that it is entirely
This is
operational on the gas.
incineration.
So it's an
Why
installation.
have you not opted for solar panels?
This is not required because we are not using any electricity.
You're not using.
No.
In the near future, we will do a study on that. If it is required, we'll do it definitely. For general lighting, what you have given suggestion is very good. For general lighting, yes.
Because all government offices and all this plants have to
I
have a-
agree with you. I agree.
Definitely, in future we can plan and go for at least for the lighting purpose, we can plan and go for that. So now,
See, we are serious on all types of waste in the state of Goa. That is why this waste management ministry was started, and I actually told our honorable chief minister that time, and I put a stress on that this ministry is required. Otherwise, we will be only talking and filing affidavits in High Court, Supreme Court, and NGTs. So that is why the Kakora waste treatment plant has completed around 60% of the work, and only machinery is awaited. Machinery is already come in. It is in Mumbai. It will reach Goa in another 1 month's time. We have already paid them NABARD loan, which is coming in. We are already paying them the money. So we are on track. November, we have said that it will be inaugurated. It slightly may go to December, but we are serious on starting the waste treatment plant in Kakara. We are upgradation of the plant in Saligaon also is on right track.
How are you going to sustain this plant? Are you going to charge the hospitals or
All
government?
hospitals, like how they were earlier paying, they will be paying now also.
Yeah.
Whatever rates, slightly it is more now. We are trying to subsidize that through the government of Goa, like how we are subsidizing
Operated by a
both this
private
plant.
company.
Yeah, this is biotech. They are in GWMC has given them this entire property. It is good basis, same.
Like how you are paying Hindustan
Yeah,
every year.
yeah.
Is it going to
No.
be
Here, this plant will be paid by all the hospitals, clinics, laboratories, and pathology labs and all
machine
everything,
has been bought
including government hospitals.
by who has set up the machine?
so for the
Everything they have
design, built and operate and transfer.
It is
So
all
it will be done by for 20 years.
design.
It will be on the bot model. So
So
for
they
20 years.
have built this plant. We have given, government has given them land with the compound. And later on for 20 years it is going to be theirs, then it is going to be ours. It is
Is it going to
designed
be
with,
sustainable for you all? Because
Definitely.
at the rate of 1,000 rupees per month for private hospitals, are you going to sustain this?
it
Definitely.
is per bed.
So the rate that is defined for the per bed.
Different rates.
So the
Different
rate,
rates for the
What you are
hospital.
talking about is for clinics.
Labs.
Clinics, labs and pathologies.
Dental clinic. But for
Blood,
hospitals,
blood banks.
the rates are different.
Hospitals, it is per bed. And the IMA has got some reservation on that, and we are talking, and we will see that they are not unhappy about whatever rates are there. We will see that even if it is required, government will do the subsidize those rates.
Everything
you
is from
will
our-
see a lineup of vehicles outside.
There are 7 vehicles right now.
Everything
with
will be
different
done
sizes.
in a systematic and in a proper manner with vehicles which will be totally used only for this purpose.
We will cover whole Goa from our these vehicles.
so the transportation
day,
part will be on the biotic side. So for the starting from the transportation, collection, treatment and disposal. So it will be the responsibility of Biotic Waste Solution to go for the entire process, and the vehicle has to go on daily basis. And as per the rules, we know the waste has to be incinerated within a limit of 48 hours.
48 hours as per biomedical rules also.
So we have to go for a,
स्थानिकांचा जो विरोध आहे
त्यांचे कसे
They do not know what we are going to do. That is why we have invited all the press media people over here, electronic as well as print media, and we are explaining this process to the people of Goa. Similar way we had explained in Saligaon, and today we are treating waste of nearly 30-35 village panchayats and including corporation of city of Panjim. That is why we can see half of Goa totally clean. We can see that waste is being lifted from all the households, restaurants, resorts, hotels, and etc. Earlier it used to be dumped on the roadside. So we had earlier teething problem over there also. So here this is what we are trying to show to the people of Goa, and also to those people who are trying to say that we didn't want this plant, but this is as per the biomedical rules of 2016, and we are serious about this issue of waste. Not only this waste, hazardous waste, construction debris waste. We had taken a delegation of print and electronic media earlier to Sweden and Norway. We have studied this, and we are in process of starting this construction debris. तुम्ही पहिले आसतले की पणजे पासून जी बिल्डिंग मोडटा त्याचे वेस्ट खंय वयता, कोण तरी रातचो 12-1-2 वयता आनी ती खाली करता, कोणाचे तरी शेतान खाली करता, नाजाल्यार ते आमची वॉटर बॉडीज आहा जे आमची मोयान तेच्या सायडीक थिंगा एक रिबांदर वयता थिंगा रिवरान खाली करता, और एक वाटेन जी पोय आहा जिंगा नुस्तें आमचे लोकल लोक ब्रिडींग करता थिंगासर नुस्तें काडून विकता, तितून वयता न्ही 2-3 सकाळीं फुडें अर्ली मॉर्निंग आवर्स खाली करतात लोक. कंस्ट्रक्शन डेब्री घालपाक जागो आमच्या गोंयान खंयसरूच ना. हो आमी ट्रिटमेंट प्लांट बिचोले हिंगासर आमचे हितून चालू करपाचो. आमचे कडेन लँडूय येयला, प्रोसेस चालू आहा सगळो थिंगासरूय हो जाता तितले बेगीन आमी लोकांक ईज करून दितले. सगळीं जी कोण आदली घरां मोडटात, टायल्स काडटात, कोण आदले फातर काडटात, कोण नोये काडटात, सगळे भाशेचो वेस्ट वचून आमी थिंगासर तेजो ब्रिक्स करतले, तेजे टायल्स करतले, तेजे इंटरलॉकिंग पेवर्स करतले, वेगवेगळे वस्तू आमी करूंक शकतले. हे आमी स्टडी करून पळोवन येयल्ले आहा इंटरनॅशनली, आनी ते बसून जाल्यार ते कंपनीन ते कंट्रीन आमकां इनवायट केलें. इट इज एक्सचेंज ऑफ टॅक्नॉलॉजीज, म्हणजे ती कंट्री आमकां ती टॅक्नॉलॉजी हिंगा दिता. अशें आमी म्हाका दिसता हे सगळो प्रयत्न करीत जाल्यार टोटल वेस्ट गोंयचो आहा, हेजार्डस वेस्ट आसूं, हो आमचो कंस्ट्रक्शन डेब्री वेस्ट आसूं, हो आमचो वेट वेस्ट जनरेटेड इन द हाऊस होल्ड ऑर रेस्टॉरंट्स ऑर हॉटेल्स, हे सगळो वेस्ट आमी ट्रीट करपाचो आमी एक गोंयान आमच्या गोंय सरकारान आमी डिसिजन घेतलेलें आहा, आनी हे आमी फुडें व्हरतले आनी कंप्लीट करतले.
कनेक्टिंग रोड हा सारखा
लँडफिल आमचं रेडी आहा. हेजार्डस वेस्ट वी आर गोइंग टू शो यू बिफोर दीस टर्म एंड्स ऑफ हाऊस. हेजार्डस वेस्ट जो लँडफिल आमचे जावपाक जाय आसले रेडी, ते आमी सारके रेडी करून दवरलेले आहा. थिंगा पिसुर्ले इंडस्ट्रियल एस्टेट आनी थिंगा इन्सनरेशन टॅक्नॉलॉजी जी घालपाक जाय ती चालू आहा, आनी ते रेडी जाले काय आमी तुमकां व्हरून थिंगा दाखयतले. म्हणजे दॅट वी वॉन्ट टू show this to the people of Goa that we are serious on all types of waste, that we will definitely not leave anything untreated. व्हरोन खंयसर उडोवप ना, ते सगळे सिस्टमॅटिकली वचून अमके जाग्यार व्हरोन लोकांनी घालचे पडटले. तो ट्रकवाले जे आमचे लोकल लोक आहा ते ट्रकवाल्यांक डेब्रीज घालपाक तेंचे ट्रकान घालून आमकां हाडून दिवपाचे, तांकां एक बिजनस मेळटले. व्हरोन रातचे 1:30-2 मागीर पुलीस येता, कोणे तरी फोटो काडलो, कोणे स्टॉप केली गाडी, फातर मारलो तेच्या हेचेर आडश्याचेर, अशें चालूच आहा गोंयान. वेगवेगळ्या जाग्यांचेर झगडी जाता, तुवें हिंगा कचरो कित्याक हाडून उडयलो, ते सगळे थोड्या तेंपान आनी बंद जावपाचें.
गोंयचे लोक ओपोज करता तेंची कन्विन्स करपाक मिटींग
तांकां पळय आमी इनॉग्रेट केलो न्हू, तांकां हिंगा हाडटले आमी. जे कोण ओपोज करता तांकां आमी हिंगा हाडटले. सेम आमी प्रक्रिया सालिगांव केल्ली. सालिगांव प्लांटान जे लोक ओपोज करताले तांकां प्लांटान हाडले, आनी प्लांटान हाडून तांकां प्लांट चालू आसतना दाखयलो, बंद आसतना न्हू. आयज हो प्लांट निकतो स्टार्ट जाता, तुमकां आमी हाडला दाखोवपाक की प्लांट रेडी जालो म्हणून. आमी ट्रायल रावंड मारतात, तांकां प्लांट रेडी जाले काय हाडटले आमी, की तांकां तेंच्या दोळ्यांनी पळोवन हो वेस्ट कसलो पळय जो वेस्ट आमी हिंगा जर म्हणटा तांकां खबर ना हो वेस्ट कितें पळय. हो वेस्ट जो आहा जे आमची ऑपरेशनां करता, इन सिंपल लँग्वेज उलयता हांव कोंकणीन आमच्या, की ही जी गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजीन आमचो लोक वयता ऑपरेशनां करता, भितरले जे आमचे पार्ट्स काडटा थोडे, जे कितें कोणाक कॅन्सर जाला, कोणाक ट्युमर जाला, कोणाक आनी कितें जालें, कोणाचो एक्सिडंट जालो आनी हात हो पडलो हाला आनी जोडो ना खूब परतून, ते सगळे पार्ट्स जे आमी हाडटले आनी हिंगासर इन्सनरेशन टॅक्नॉलॉजीन घालून हेचो एश जातलो, गोबर जातलो. हे इन सिंपल लँग्वेज सारकी उलयता. सो आनी तेजे वयर गॅस बीस तसली कांय भायर सरपाची ना, तेणी घेवन एस आमचो सायट आहा न्हू पिसुर्ले हेजार्डस वेस्ट सायट, थिंगा ह्यो एश वयतलो आनी थिंगा आमी जमा करतलो.
थंय कितें करता
थिंगा ट्रीट जातालो न्हू तो.
परत ट्रीट करता ताका
No, that is landfill. That should not be mixed with anything else. So it will be a landfill, like we have seen over there landfill sites, and then they are being covered.
गोंय राज्याचो हो खूब वर्साचो प्रश्न आशिल्लो की आमी जे डॉक्टरची ग्रूप जो आसा जो आमचे कडेन बायोमेडिकल वेस्ट तयार जाता तो तुमी वाचता आसतले की पेपराचेर मिडियाचेर की हांगा तें उडयतात आळमारी. पूण जेन्ना बायोटीक मॅनेजमेंट आयलें सरकारान प्रयत्न केले सर मायकल लोबेचे खूब प्रयत्न आशिल्ले. सो वीथ गोवा वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट सर्विसीस तांचे ऑफिशियल्स डिपार्टमेंट आनी बायोटीक मॅनेजमेंट तांणी जो प्रोजेक्ट जो तयार केला वेस्ट बायोमेडिकल वेस्ट डिस्पोजल, दिस इज वन ऑफ द टॉप मॉडेल इन होल इंडिया. फक्त एक ह्या मॉडेला प्रमाणे जर व्यवस्थित जर काम चालले सुरवातीक कदाचित काही थोडे टिचिंग प्रॉब्लेम असू शकतात, पण जे ऑलरेडी स्टेप वायज जे वर्गीकरण जावन जो कचरो येतलो तो एंड पॉयंटाक ताजे शेवटी राख जातलो म्हणजे गोबर जातलो आणि तो गोबर सांगिल्ल्या प्रमाणे तो पिसोल्या प्लांटाक वतलो वीच कॅनॉट बी यूज फॉर समथींग एल्स. इवन लोकांच्या मनाची शंका जी तयार जाल्ली आसा की ताजे पॉयजनस गॅसीस तयार जातले किंवा जातले तशें कांय जावपाचें ना, कारण इन अ सायंटिफीक वे एवरीथींग वील कम टू एन एंड. आनी अशें मागून वता अशें मागता की शेवटी हो जो प्रोजेक्ट जावपाची गरज आशिल्ली ती ह्या टॅन्युअराक तांच्या टॅन्युअराक तांणी आमकां मदत करून तयार करपाक स्टार्ट करपाक सुरवात केली. कदाचित ह्या म्हयन्याक ताजें सुरवात जातली, इनॉग्रेशन जातलें. एक थोडेशें आमचे डॉक्टराची कांय मागणी आशिल्ल्यो की कदाचित तुम्ही जे विचारलें रिगार्डींग द मनी मॅटर्स म्हणजे कितलो खर्च येतलो, वायबिलिटी, फिजिबिलिटी, काही प्रश्न आमी मांडिल्ले आसा तांचे कडेन. तांचेर ऑलरेडी तांचे कडेन डिस्कशन जाल्लें आसा आनी आय थिंक वी आर गोईंग टू कम टू एमिकेबल डिसिजन. आनी आय थिंक द मेडिकल फॅटर्निटी इन्क्लुडींग द गव्हर्मेंट एज वेल एज द प्रायवेट लॉबी should be getting benefit out of it. So all this credit goes to the present government, especially Sir Michael Lobo, who was really after it to come to an logical end. Thank you.
So what is the running cost of the
Automatic, that will be operated from
No,
there.
because we have to know because how you are going to collect it from the private hospital.
So basically what we have to do, so we have got the rate set by the government only. So the different rate for different.
Do you have you done a study of how many hospitals?
Yes, the study has been done by the government before doing the tender. So we have got the different criteria for the rates. We talk about the hospitals, there are two separate criteria for the hospitals. So the first one is the hospital having more than 30 beds. So we are considering they are the big hospitals. And second one is the hospital having less than 30 beds. So government has taken care of these kind of different parameters and accordingly they have set the rate.
Can you tell us in short, at least by estimated operating cost?
Sir, it is quite difficult to directly come on that point because different states have different kind of geographical areas.
No, you must have done some study. Yeah?
Definitely.
That
So-
you wouldn't have brought those
It's viable.
It's
It's viable. Right now we can say it's viable. So what
It's
will-
viable for you for hospitals?
Yeah, definitely. Definitely.
Will may take like longer time due to
This
this.
is the lowest rate quoted in the entire country. So we came here by the tendering process. We are the lowest bidder. So that is the best that we are promising to the government and the people of Goa. So thankfully to the government of Goa that they have initiated this such a beautiful thing.
Dr. Vinay is the hospital association माझे
मेक अ स्टेटमेंट सांगूंक सोदता की हो प्लांट तेन्ना करपाचो जालो फर्स्ट इन्स्पेक्शन जें जाल्लें 5 वर्सां फाटीं त्या वेळार हांव म्हज्या एसोसिएशना तर्फे हांगा आयिल्लो आनी बाकीचे रिप्रेझेंटेटीव्ह आमचे आशिल्ले. आज खुशी भोगता की आमकां हे प्रोसेस जे आमकां जाय आशिल्लें मना पासून कितलीं वर्सां जाय आशिल्लें मेडिकल वेस्ट अशी तशी पडची न्ही आमची खंयची ती जावन ताजो वेवस्थीत हें जावचो ट्रिटमेंट जावचो आनी ताजी हॅजार्डस कांय जावचें न्ही आमची मनात इच्छा आशिल्ली ती आज पूर्ण जाता. गव्हर्मेंटाचे तर्फे हांव तांचे आभार मानता की तांणी हें आमचें स्वप्न साकारना तांणी आमचें स्वप्न केलां आनी हें स्वप्न आसा तें आमच्या खातीर न्ही जनतेच्या कल्याणा खातीर जनतेच्या हेल्था खातीर कळ्ळें.
हे आमचे इंडियन मेडिकल असोसिएशन गोंयचे प्रमुख पास्ट प्रेसिडेंट आसा देसाय आमच्यो क्लिनीक आसा आनी जनरेट करता लॉट ऑफ बायोमेडिकल आनी आमचो दीस वॉज द नीड ऑफ द आवर they were looking forward. And I must compliment the minister, Goa government, for giving us this, because हे सामकें मस्ट आमकां तसो ट्रीटमेंट जाय. ट्रीटमेंटा बरोबरच we generate lot of this biomedical which should be scientifically disposed. नाल्यार ताजे harmful effect उरता. ते already तुमकां explain केला. I must again thank the minister giving us this opportunity and giving us this plans. Thank you so much, sir. आमची थोडीशी मागणी आसा की जितले आमी तितले जमा करता त्या प्रमाणे बाकीचे हातूंत हें केल्यार की इट इज नॉट ओनली अ डेंटिस्ट ऑर मेडिकल, एवरीबडी इज जनरेटींग. आमकां थोडे दिसांनी कन्सेशन दिवचें म्हणून ते आमी ताचे कडेन मागीर ताणें आमचें ठराव मान्य केल्लो आसा आनी सांगता म्हणला थोड्या दिसांनी आयकून घेतलां आमचें. वी आर लुकींग फॉरवर्ड टू हियर अ पॉझिटिव्ह रिप्लाय फ्रॉम यू. थँक्यू सो मच. हांव कर्नल प्रभू देसाई.
तुमच्या मागण्या मातशें तुमी डिटेलान सांगू शकता आमकां? डॉक्टर शेखर, राईट मॅन. You directly come out with the demands. What are the demands?
First of all, I must thank government for state of art. तांकां हो स्टेट ऑफ आर्ट आमकां भंय दिसता मात, कित्याक स्टेट ऑफ आर्ट ऑलवेज कॉस्ट मनी. ते पयशे सगळे आमचे कडसून येतले, हे आमी सगळे रावल्या ते. सो सी देर इज अ डिफरन्स बिटवीन सालिगांव plant and this plant, as he has already said that Saligao plant is totally financed by the government, but this is totally private, and all the doctors, hospitals and healthcare जो facility आहा तांणी हे reimburse करचे पडटले तांकां सगळे. So there is a little bit this about the cost, which sir is very much of. ताणें सांगलें की he is with us, he is not with the government, he is with us. So I just hope that the next meeting जातली तेन्ना there will be little shifting of the prices. हांव तुका एग्जांपल दिता की सरान बांदल्या तें 5-star हॉटेल, which actually एक साद्या खानावळीन हें सगळें करूं येता कळ्ळें न्ही. ते म्हणटा आमकां 5 स्टारानूच जेव म्हणून. सो आतां आमी ते 5 स्टारान जेवताना सरा कडसून थोडे 50 रुपया घेतले, आमचे 50 रुपया घातले आनी आमी जेवता. इन शॉर्ट
You want subsidy from the government?
सबसिडी म्हणजे some amount of
Relaxation.
like we will have to pay for those beds who are not generating anything. So म्हजे कडेन आतां सपोज 200 बेड आहा, म्हजे कडेन 100 पेशंट आहा, then I am going to pay for 200 beds. I am not going to pay for 100 beds. So I am going to pay for those beds which are empty. हातून गव्हर्मेंटूय आयलो. Actually maximum loss is for the government only, because government pays almost 60% of the beds are of the government, 40% are in the private sector. So they are also going to pay for the same.
This facility was required in the state of Goa, and it was monitored by NGT Pune and even Supreme Court. High Court has passed several orders on this. So we had to do this facility. Now every facility which you are going to give state of the art definitely costs money. What they were paying earlier, here they are paying slightly more.
Slightly
lesser.
It is in a year it will be around 65-70 lakhs more. I'm talking about the entire year for the entire state of Goa, around 65 to 70 lakhs.
It's going to be double what they were paying earlier.
No, it's not going to be double.
I need to understand one thing here. The thing which we were using before that is a stopgap arrangement. So that was the person who is like donating. They were just having some vendor. They were just taking the waste and dumping it. So there was no incineration technology. So this time we are incinerating it.
And we are covering whole Goa.
थोडे वस्तू जे आहा ते होणे मारून पुरताल्यो. हिंगा एनवायरमेंट
आता म्हणटालो आमच्या 2 स्टारांनी काम जातालें, तुम्ही 5 स्टार हाडून दिले.
अशी शेड बांदचीच पडली.
See, these are as per the rules and regulations.
2016 rules, medical rules.
Medical rules are
ते तुवें कितेंचे कितें बांदूंक जायना. You have to build
The only
properly.
thing I expect that government should little bit burn आमचे थोडे भार मातसो हलको करता.
Calorie
Because in the end who is going to pay? Not the hospital. It is in the end, it is the patient who is going to pay. So प्रत्येक पेशंटाक तो पेमेंट करचो पडटलो एक्स्ट्रा. हे म्हज्या वर्सान in the end, it's the common man who is. So I hope that government takes a little consent.
Nothing more than that. 1 or 2 rupees per citizen additional cost. Nothing more than that.
No, that's what, because see, problem is that Delhi is a small area,
So it's for the patient.
compacted असता. हांगा आमचे कशें काणकोणा ताका वचचो पडटलो, हांगा वचचो म्हणून तांचो प्रायस मातसो वाडयलो. Yeah, पण they have other things also where they can make.
Within time they पावपाक जाय.
So every day they have to collect.
दोतोर तो म्हणटा 1-2 रुपये आसतलो एक्स्ट्रा
Per patient. Sorry, per patient.
That we will discuss with sir.
No, because it's 1-2 rupees.
The rating
Actually, चा घेऊया म्हणजे तकली दंड करूया.
चल पुरो